In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Houzz Reviews link, a handy tool that can be useful if you're looking to gather feedback about various contractors and design professionals. This will only take a few simple steps, and I'll guide you through each of them so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find these customer reviews. First things first, you need to visit the Houzz Pro website. So, fire up your internet browser and type in the address bar www.houzz.com/pro. This will take you directly to Houzz Pro, which is an all-in-one business software solution designed specifically for contractors and design pros. If you're unfamiliar with this platform, it's a powerful tool to manage projects, communicate with clients, and indeed collect and view reviews. Once you're on the Houzz Pro homepage, you'll want to navigate to the section specifically related to reviews. It's fairly straightforward from here. Just look for the option that says Houzz Pro Reviews. This option should be visible somewhere on the page, often highlighted to grab your attention. Clicking on it will guide you further into the process of finding that specific reviews link. Now, after clicking on Houzz Pro Reviews, you'll be taken to a different page. This is where all the gathered feedback and reviews from clients are showcased. The interface is user-friendly, and you're going to see a well-organized display of reviews. This section is tailored to help professionals manage their reputation by easily accessing client feedback. Additionally, it provides insights into customer experiences, which can be crucial for improving services and attracting new business. One tip to keep in mind is to bookmark the Houzz Pro Reviews page for quick access in the future. This can save you time if you plan on regularly checking reviews or need to reference them frequently. Most browsers allow you to do this by clicking on the star icon in the address bar. So let's recap quickly. Start by heading to www.houzz.pro, look for and click on Houzz Pro Reviews, and you'll be directly taken to the review section. It's a simple process, but knowing precisely where to go makes a world of difference when efficiency is key. Should you have any questions or need further guidance on what to do once you've found the reviews, remember that Houzz offers support and additional resources which might prove helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide made finding the Houzz reviews link a breeze for you. Don't forget to check back for more useful tutorials and handy tips. See you in the next video.